Directions for Springfield College Mission Statement Word Cloud. Go ahead and open up the Word document. And this particular one has a password, and the password is SC Mission. All lowercase, all one word. Go ahead and enable. And the first thing you'll do is select the Springfield College Mission Statement, and then click Insert tab, and then the red bag to go to Store. And then in the search box, you'll type Pro Word. Maybe a space in here. Good. And it's called Pro Word Cloud. Go ahead and click Add, and it adds a new window pane on the right hand side of your screen. It comes with font, colors, layout, and case, and you can select if you wanted to choose a different type of font, if you wanted to choose different colors, and the layout of it. Maybe you're not sure what the layout until you actually see it. But once your information is selected, choose Create Word Cloud, and right above it you'll have a preview of what this word cloud would look like. If you decide to change the font or the colors, or now you want to try the horizontal half and half, or the case, anytime you change one or more than one, always click Regenerate Word Cloud. When you're happy with your results, click back into the document and then enter. Right click on the word cloud, copy, go back to your document, and Control V to paste. And you created a free word cloud through Pro Word Cloud right in Word. Go ahead and save and submit. Thank you.